IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you wear sunglasses? Band 5. Answer.
I wear sunglasses sometimes, especially when it is very sunny. I usually wear them in summer because the sun is strong. I think they are useful.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic ideas with little development. Lexical resource. Simple, repetitive vocabulary. Sunny, strong, useful. Grammar. Mostly correct but very basic sentence structures. Pronunciation. Generally clear but unremarkable. Typical of a Band 5. Understandable, safe, and slightly boring. Band 7.5 Answer.
I wear sunglasses quite often, especially when I'm outdoors during the day. I find them helpful not only for protecting my eyes from the sun, but also for feeling more comfortable when driving.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow with clear extension of ideas. Lexical resource. Good range. Protecting, comfortable, outdoors. Grammar. Varied sentence structures with good control. Pronunciation. Clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5. Confident, flexible, and well-developed. Band 9 Answer.
I wear sunglasses fairly regularly, particularly on bright days or when I'm driving. Apart from protecting my eyes, they reduce glare and eye strain, which makes them more of a necessity than a fashion choice for me.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and precise delivery. Lexical resource, sophisticated, accurate vocabulary, glare, eye strain, necessity. Grammar, complex structures used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation, fully natural and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 9, sounds like a human, not a practice recording. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.